So this staff rod got 5 meters length. That means this staff rod is a metric staff rod. Hey guys, I'm Suleiman Khan, and in this video we will be reading a metric staff. Let's say you are a beginner to land survey, or you are just doing leveling. Okay, you are sighting by a leveling machine and you are looking at this staff rod. Then how you can read it? What should be the reading on the crosshair? Okay, so this time I got a crosshair like this one. Okay, it is just a binding wire because this time I don't have a leveling machine. Okay, so first let's understand how a staff rod should be read out. Okay, as you can see, this staff rod is 5 meters. Okay, mostly it comes in 5 meters. Okay, sometimes maybe in 3 meters, it does not matter. But this staff rod is a decimal system. That means each unit is being divided into 10 further units. Okay, like 1 meter is being divided into 10 units. That one unit is called decimeter, and then one decimeter is being divided furtherly into 10 units, which are known by centimeters, and then centimeter is not been divided. However, you're gonna do that by yourself. Okay, just you can say supposition. You're gonna suppose that. Okay, so you have to divide each. As you can see these symbols. Okay, so these are written centimeters. Okay, at the one edge, as you can see, and let's see, as you can see, this is 1 meter. Okay, and you can also notice a red dot over there. That means it's been 1 meter, and above it, as you can see, with 9, there's also 1 dot. Okay, that means we are still above 1 meter. We have not reached to 2 meters yet. Alright, so the main point which you really need to be understood is just dividing each pattern. Okay, so let's say you got the cross here on this position. That means you have to look to the horizontal. Okay, or you can say the middle air, right? Like you can say this reading is now 104 centimeters. That means you can say 1.04 meters. So simple, there is nothing complicated over here. Okay, like you can say if I go up like this one, that means this reading is now 1.05 meters. However, if you put it like that, which is just dividing 104 and 105, you can say it is 104 centimeters. However, we can just divide this 1 centimeter into half, which is of course 1.045. Okay, so simple. You have to actually convert from this point to this point into millimeters, right? Into 10 millimeters, which means this up to this middle point, these are 5 mm. Like you can say you have to divide like this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then 5 of this red pattern. Okay, so simple. Like another point, let's say if it's like this one. Okay, then as you can see, we got 104. That's been completed. So I can say 1.04 meters, and then let's count the mm. Okay, from here to here, these are 5 mm's. Like, and then from here to there, these are also 5. So as you can see, 5 are completed, and then I can roughly say these are, you can say, 2. Okay, so simple. Like we can say 1.04 and then 7. That means 1.04 meters and 7 mm. Okay, let's try this point. As you can see, we are just above 179 and below 180 centimeters. That means we are 1.79 completed. However, we're gonna count mm. Okay, from 179 till 180, those are actually 10 mm's, and actually the crosshair is right at the middle point. That means we're gonna take 5 mm's. Okay, like you can say 1.79 and then 5. So simple. Let's try another point. Let me just jump it over there. Okay, as you can see, we are actually exactly upon 182. So I can say 1.82. So simple. Let's try another one. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, just like that. So simple. Okay, let's try this reading. Okay, as you can see, we have just covered that's 278. That means we are just above 1 meter and 2 meter also. So I can say 2.79 can be the reading. Okay, however, if I just bring it little bit down like that, that means we are now 2.78 completed. However, we're gonna count the mm. Okay, as you can see from this point till date, these are 10 mm's. Okay, however, from this to this, these are 5 mm's. That means we're gonna count these 3 mm's as well. Okay, we're gonna do that roughly. You're gonna suppose them. Okay, because these are not been divided in mm. So I can say 2.78 and 8. The reading is now 2.788. That means 2 meter, 7 decimeter, 8 centimeter, and then 8 mm. So simple. Okay, let's try another. Okay, I'm gonna try another one. Let's try, as you can see at the top, like here. Okay, I'm gonna try this reading. Okay, what should be the reading? Of course, it's 4.84 and then 3. You can say 3. You can also take 2 mm. How? Let's see. 4.84, that's been completed. Okay, and we are below 485 centimeters. So I can say 4.84, and then from here to here, these are 5 mm's. And roughly, I can say we have covered 3 mm's. So I can say 4.84 and then 3, or you can say 2, does not matter. Okay, I'm gonna take a final reading now, which is going to be less than, you can say, a meter. All right. Okay, so we got this point. What we're gonna do with it, as you can see, we are just below 1 meter. As you can see, this is 56 centimeter, which is less than 100 centimeters. So we are just below 1 meter. That means 56 centimeters been completed, or you can say 0.56 meter. And then from here till that point, these are 10 mm. And as you can see, from here to here, these are 5 mm's. And we are just below, little bit below that 5 figure. So that means 4 mm can be taken. So the reading is now 0.56 and 4, or you can say 0 meter, 5 decimeter, 6 centimeter, and then 4 mm. So simple, right? Let me try another one. Just take it by yourself. Okay, let's say, what is going to be this reading? Just take it. Okay, did you got it? All right, I'm gonna say it is 0.58 and then 8. How? As you can see, 59, that's not completed, so we're gonna take the below one, which is this one, 0.58, and then from here to here, I can roughly say these are 8 mm, because from here to till that point, these are 10 mm. So simple. All right, so did you figure it out how to use and where to use it? Where to use it? Of course, in a leveling. Actually, in a Viva, I asked a student that what else can we do with a staff rod? He replied that we can kill a snake with it. And I gave him 5 out of 5.